Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this beautiful math expression 14 divide 2 bracket 4 plus 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7 and 2 times 7 is 14 and 14 divided by 14 is 1, which is the incorrect answer. This looks simple but still many people fail to solve this because they take this approach. But when you have given multiple operation like this expression, division, then parenthesis, then addition, then you have to follow order of operation, which is also known as PEMDAS rule. So this helps you to choose from where to start the question. First you have to solve the parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication, division both have same priority, but you have to solve it from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction have same priority, but you have to solve it from left to right. So let's solve this expression with the help of PEMDAS rule. So first we have to solve the parenthesis. So rewrite the left out term. So 4 plus 3 is 7 and we have to put multiplication sign in between. Now we have two operations left, that is division and multiplication. So as we already discussed, both have same priority but we have to solve from left to right. So left first is division and then multiplication. So 14 by 2 is 7 and 7 times 7 is 49. So what is the correct answer? 49. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.